Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Lyn Makeover YouTube channel. If this is your first time you are coming across my channel, you are most welcome. In today's episode, I'm just doing a little transformation on my client for her birthday shoot. So that's me applying my moisturizer. I'll use moisturizer today in place of face primer. To be precise, Dr. Rachel moisturizing cream. After that, I will do my foundation, all the skin work that I have to do before my eyebrow. You all know that I'm team eyebrow first before any other thing, but today in this episode I'm changing the narrative. I'll do my skin work first before the eyebrow. So like I stated earlier, that's me applying my foundation on my client's face. That's me. She's already beautiful. I thank God for beautiful clients always. So that's me doing my highlighting with my concealer or the places that it needs to be highlighted. After which, most of the things were done off camera, and because I don't want the video to be long as well. So that's me drawing her eyebrow. Also, I'm just going to give her a thin natural eyebrow, as you are seeing, a very thin and natural eyebrow, more like her natural eyebrow shape. Yeah, she's already pretty, so I don't have to do too much. I'm giving her nude kind of makeup, nude kind of lipstick, sorry. Yes, so that's me telling her to smack her lip. When you get to this place, I feel like I'm disturbing client, but they have to smack the lip for the lipstick to blend so well. Yeah, so after that I still use my blush to blend the lipstick very well. Added some gloss to spice up the whole look, and there she is loving her look. She's so happy because it was a front camera that I was using for the shooting. She was seeing herself and she was feeling herself. She was happy, and I'm glad I was able to. So after that, I did something about the braid for her. I just did some style for her to spice up the whole look. Yes, I'm not really a stylist, I'm now learning, so pardon with me. So that's me behind her doing what I love to do. Yes, at this point she was so excited, she could not even wait for me to finish what I was doing. She was feeling herself. Yeah, so enjoy the process. So thank you all for watching this episode with me. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. See you all in my next upload. Don't forget to leave your comments. Please like us all. See you all in my next upload.